Hello and welcome to OMTV. Today we are here to talk about two of the most common uses in the Colombian cuisine, the passion fruit juice and the lulo juice. We are going to answer the question done by our dear professor about which one of them is better in terms of flavor, but in terms of waste, and which one is more friendly with our pockets in terms of money. We also have two amazing guests that are going to tell us how did they found the most rentable juice and also which one generates less waste per liter. Both of them are students from La Sabana University and they are doing this as a project. So moving on, tell me Sergio, which one was the methodology that you used?
Okay, Ivan. The methodology that we use with Juan Camilo were like in four steps. One was go to the supermarket, buy the lulo and the passion fruit. That first we asked the price and also the weight. The price of the lulos were like 17 pesos, and the lulo were like 15 pesos. The weight of the lulo were like 0.585 grams, and the passion fruit were like 0.695 grams. The two step were arrived to a friend's house and prepare the juices. The number three, both juices were prepared. We do earlier because our teacher says that, and also take the seeds and the peel about the fruits and bag them and wake them for now the first step. Boil the next cells and calculate the waste of the lulo and the passion fruit and looking how much waste in money and in the fruit in the case of the seeds and the peel.
That is awesome. So you did both uses and you realize that the waste generated by both of them and also how much of the money is theoretically lost. Now, Juanca, tell me the conclusions that you found in this interesting experiment and help us to answer the question about which one is the most rentable and which one generates less waste.
Okay, Ivan. In this case, we do a numerical analysis that you can see. In this case, we take the data of those fruits. In this case, that you can see, the weight of the lulo was 146.25, and the weight in grams of the passion fruit was 231.6. In this case, we find the most profitable juice between the two is lulo juice, since it requires less fruit to prepare a little of juice and its price is lower than the passion fruit. Additionally, of the ways, additionally of this, the waste of both in price and number of grams is lower than the passion fruit. In other conclusion, uh, and other things that we can mention is that apart of this, we can see that the terms of price, the lulo is much more profitable due to aforementioned in the terms of price that the lulo is cheaper than the passion fruit. And in addition of this, the littles that we can use were the same, and the pulp that can be extracted from the lulo is greater than the other fruit. That's it.
That was pretty interesting. Thank you very much for this moment and for coming today to explain us and help us answer these questions. So we can easily conclude that in this case, the Lulo juice is the most profitable one. And that's it. See you next time in OMTV.